friends, I'm Fairway Tita, and today, nandito tayo sa Wakwak. Sa anong course nga to? East course. Alam mo naman, kailangan English speaking today. Pero may mga special guest tayong English speaking, guys. Okay? So, very social yung mga friends ko. First of all, OOTD, Adidas, Lululemon, Adidas, Callaway, Garmin. Hello, Adidas. Ano ba? Ewan ko sa inyo. Okay, roll call. Madam Little House on the Prairie.
안녕하세요.
Okay, Madam Chaibol, what is our outfit for today?
Penguin, Under Armour, Penguin,
Okay,
and G4.
she's blue today, guys. Okay. She's okay. And then we have here, Angie, ang batang nawawala.
I am not lost
Finally
because I'm here.
in Wakwak.
I'm here in Wakwak.
Hello,
again.
first time to play here.
Yeah, it's my
First time.
Yeah.
So what is our outfit for today?
This is Penguin and Lacoste.
So, and your hat is, what's your hat?
Bridgestone, autographed by Sam Bruce.
Yes, and then your shades is Nike. Grabe, social na ni ano to.
Leto.
Oh, grabe. And okay guys, we